It doesn't have like a gift sign. It has a willows.
Oh yeah.
They just have their
furry.
Done, Mom.
So beautiful down here. Here we are finding the next geocache. We have found it at the base of the tree.
Oh, this is really a good box too.
Let's see.
Oh my god, that's amazing. We don't get to keep it.
My beautiful girls out cruising. I love finding paths like this to walk, but I'm never quite comfortable enough to go by myself. I listen to too much true crime. So now that Dean's with me, yay! And I hate that, can I be honest? I absolutely hate that as a woman, you have to pay attention to that, right? Ugh, it drives me mad. But anyway, it's gorgeous out here. What a beautiful day. Currently doing the Whitney Simmons workout. No shoes, just jumping around on a yoga mat. Not gonna lie, I'm not totally feeling it. I'm a little tired, it's rainy, but we're gonna do it. Greetings from Sunday. Guys, I am feeling low this weekend. It doesn't help that it's rainy and cold, and yeah, I'm struggling with feelings of control, all the lack of control, which I think many are in the same boat. I'm struggling with some fear, some feelings of fear. On the other side of that scale is like feelings of like, it's not worthiness, but kind of like I'm struggling with my ability to rest. I don't do well with rest. And I've always known that about myself, but it is especially heightened right now because there's only so much that I can do and I'm feeling tired, and it's a whole thing. Cornucopia of crap, essentially. My face actually hurts, like the skin on my face is sore because I feel stress, and then my hands go to my face and I'm like, ugh, you know what I mean? There's a lot happening. So here's what we're gonna do today. I was super tempted to just not vlog and like not put a video out tomorrow, but then I realized, you know what? I don't think I'm alone in these feelings, and let's just share them. You know, like we're in this together and I'm no different than anybody else, and I'm feeling all the feelings. And sometimes feeling those feelings is really hard. So that's where I'm at. I didn't do laundry last weekend because I was just overwhelmed and didn't know what was happening with the world. So I've got double laundry, and I think Dean's gonna take the kids out for a drive, which means I'm gonna be alone in my house, and I'm literally like overjoyed about this idea. So I'm gonna pop in a podcast and just lose myself in a story and do laundry and put laundry away, and if I'm feeling real crazy, I might vacuum. That's the day. Starting the laundry process. Still have to bring all of that downstairs. Jack's room is tidy. Wonderful. Sometimes Esme crashes in his room. They have a little slumber party, so I've got to put that mattress under the bed, but I think I'll just leave it accessible because they seem to be just, you know, building forts and having fun, so his room is tidy. Currently working on Esme's room, so this is where we're at right now. Before all of this fiasco went down, one of the projects we were hoping to work on was her closet, and you can see we're trying some paint colors and things, but we're just limiting spending, honestly, right now. You know, Dean will be laid off at the beginning of May. I don't know what's happening with my job, so we are only spending what's absolutely necessary. and home renovations are not at the moment. So I'm gonna tidy it as much as possible so she feels comfortable in her space. I can tell right now she doesn't have a place to go and just chill out, and her brother is bugging her and she's kind of getting annoyed with me and things. So I'm gonna tidy up her space and just get it nice and cozy for her again, because I know that that makes me feel better, and she is my child, so I'm assuming that will make her feel better. Can't hurt. How happy does this tidiness just make everyone feel right now? Opening windows, letting the fresh air in, getting rid of the garbage. We're doing it, people. We are doing it. This may sound like a bunch of baloney, but I legitimately am feeling better. Oh, Christ. Also, I'm going to link a podcast below from Brene Brown. It is such a good listen. Like, if you're feeling the feelings, overwhelm, comparison, guilt, all of this stuff, you know, fighting with your husband or your partner or your kids, and you just link it, listen to it. It's amazing. Monkey bread time. Here you go. Take a plate.
Thanks.
There you go.
Let me
I don't need to walk away for Esme.
That's okay. She already had one. That's so sweet of you to wait for your
She's
sister.
not coming?
She's coming. Have one though. She already had one upstairs. Watching very intently. Got my cup of coffee. Let's do it. Yeah. Delicious. Just eat the one on your plate.
No, I'm eating the...
I know. Looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. It's not. Just my pink lights that are showing up purpley blue in here. Anyway, well, we watched The Sandlot. It was awesome. Classic from the 90s. If you haven't seen it, it still holds up. It's a really good movie. Is it on Disney? I think it's on Disney Plus. Anyway, well, that's a wrap for tonight. It's late. It's 10:30. My kids are on the schedule where they get up at like 10 and go to bed at 10. So it is what it is. Whatever. Okay, guys, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. It's Monday. We're going to start the week out with as positive a mindset as possible in these very strange times. So we can do this. Let's encourage each other. Find me on Instagram. We'll keep each other occupied. And that's that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.